Want more customers without spending thousands on ads? Let's talk Facebook. Whether you run a bakery, barbershop, boutique, or local gym, Facebook ads can help you reach the right people, right when they're ready to buy. Step 1. Build your base. Set up a strong business page, connect it to Meta Business Suite, and install the Facebook Pixel. It tracks what your visitors do, helping you retarget them later like a digital diary. Next, set your campaign goal. Want more traffic to your website? More calls? More store visits? Facebook lets you choose exactly what matters most to your business. Now, zero in on your perfect audience. Target by city, neighborhood, age group, even hobbies and online behavior. No wasted spend, just smart targeting. Then, bring your ad to life. Choose a great image, write a short and catchy message, and pick a call to action like Book Now or Shop Now. Boom, you're live. But don't stop there. Track what's working and what's not. With Ad Insights, you can test, tweak, and optimize your way to better results every time. At MarketinGear, we help small businesses run smarter, more affordable Facebook ads that actually bring results. From strategy to setup, we've got your back. Visit MarketingGear.com to launch your first Facebook ad today and start growing your business the smart way.